Not so long ago, in the mysterious land of the secret writer, the channel was subscribed to by a high schooler. The channel was subscribed to by a high schooler. How many is that now?
22. High school girl. Not bad, not bad.
Thank you, thank you.
So what you guys like,
We ride the bus together and we have meaningful conversations about how yearbook club went and about her friends and, drama.
Well, aren't you pleased as punch?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So what's her name?
Tiffany.
Knives. She's Chinese.
Wicked. So when do we get to meet her?
Oh, please let it be soon.
That's for me.
Hi.
You promise to be good?
Of course I'll be good.
Seriously, please be good.
Am I normally not?
Hey, Knives, this is...
He's a Rooks 1.
He's the talent.
Hey. Is she gonna geek out on us?
She'll just sit in the corner, man.
I mean, I want her to geek out on us.
She'll geek. She geeks. She has the capacity to geek.
Okay. You're good.
Wow.
Hey, let me get your coat.
Hi.
Knives, that's...
Shan.
Sorry, what was your name?
Shan.
Can you play the drums?
Yes.
That is so awesome.
Knives, that's...
Voiceover goal.
Hi.
Hi. What do you play?
Wow. Zelda. Tetris. That's kind of a big question.
Okay, let's start with Launchpad McQuack.
That's not the actual title of the song.
Lemonade stasis, mama serpentine. I got a breathalyzer, and my body's clean.
You guys are so amazing.
She seems nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.